This video is going to show us how cations are formed. Cations are formed from the metals of the periodic table. Okay, remember that our metals here, this side of that step. So I'm going to start by looking at sodium. Sodium has got atomic number 11. My atomic number. So it has 11 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it has the configuration of 2, 8, 1. Atoms, when they react, want to gain full outer shells. It has this one electron in the outer shell that it wants to get rid of. So it's going to lose that electron. So now it no longer has the configuration of 281. It has the configuration of 28. Now at the start, when it was my atom, there were 11 protons, so 11 positive charges, and 11 electrons, 11 negative charges. So overall, there is no charge, and that would be a neutral atom. So now I still have my 11 protons, but now I only have 10 electrons because I've lost this outer electron. So I have 10 negatives. That will give me a charge of +1. So outside the square brackets, I put a 1 plus charge. Na plus. Let's have a look at another one. Let's have a look at aluminium. Aluminium has the atomic number 13. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So this time, 13 protons, 13 electrons. It's neutral overall, as it's an atom. It has 1, 2, 3 electrons in its outer shell that it wants to get rid of, so it has a full outer shell. So I'm going to lose those 3 outer electrons. It still has 13 protons, but now it only has 10 electrons. So 13 positives, 10 negatives. That means that overall I have a charge of 3 plus. 2, 8, 3 plus, or Al 3 plus. Now let's notice some trends. When I looked at sodium, it had a charge of 1 plus. Sodium is in group 1. Remember, all atoms in group 1 have 1 electron in their outer shell. That means it would be Li plus, Na plus, K plus, and so on. They would all have ions with a 1 plus charge. We've just seen aluminium. Aluminium is in group 3. It's Al 3 plus. So what do we think atoms in group 2 will have a charge of? Beryllium has 4 electrons in its outer shell, 2 in the first, 2 in the second. It will lose those 2. Be2 plus, Mg2 plus, Ca2 plus, and so on. So we learnt last week that the group number tells you the number of electrons in the outer shell. The group number will also tell you the charge. Group 1, 1 plus. Group 2, 2 plus. Group 3 metals, 3 plus.